Good morning, fellow car washers. I'm Shane Groff with Innovative Car Wash Equipment. I'm here to answer some of your questions that we frequently see posted on the internet. Our first question today has to do with foamers, and the car wash operator says that the driver's side foamer is foaming fine and the passenger side is not. Just two main things here really. If your equipment room is on the driver's side and your hose comes out from your chemical dispensing system, do not put the T at the first applicator. Put it right in the middle of the two applicators so you get even distribution to each side. The second thing is, this one happens to be a banana foamer, so unscrew the cap, pull the foam generator out of the housing, thoroughly wash it, rinse it with some hot water to make sure it's not all gummed up. Put it all back together and try it again.